Welcome, students, to week 2. This week we will be reading chapters 3 and 4. Chapter 3 is planning and goal setting. It will define what productivity is, describe how plans should link from the top to the bottom of an organization, identify what is meant by the terms benchmarking, ISO 9000 series, and Six Sigma. There's a contrast policy and rules section. It will describe also Gantt charts, explain information needed to create a PERT chart, as well as describe the 4 ingredients common to goal-setting programs. Lastly, it will define the entrepreneurship and explain how it affects a supervisor. Chapter 4, Organizing, will define what organizing is, why work specialization should increase economic efficiency, explain how the span of control affects an organization's structure, contrast line and staff authority, as well as explain why organizations are becoming increasingly decentralized. How flattered organizational structures can be beneficial to the organization is another topic. Explain the concept of a learning organization, how it influences organizational designs and supervisors. Discuss the value of job descriptions, and lastly we'll identify the 4-step process of delegation. So recall, to complete the week you are required to participate in a discussion. This week you'll be discussing 2.1 and 2.2 discussions. You are required to make an initial posting as well as respond to 2 other classmates in both discussions. Please remember to make both initial postings by Wednesday midnight to allow your classmates time to respond, and provide substantial resources, cited resources that you can reference in your postings to gain the maximum point value. You're required also to write a 1 to 2 page summary that includes the following information for your assignment. Descriptions of 3 supervisory jobs from different types of organizations. Secondly, identify which jobs are more entrepreneurial and which are more traditional in supervisory style and why. And lastly, explain the key differences in supervisory styles that employers possess. Please read the assignment instructions on how to submit the assignment. Remember to plan your workload accordingly. I look forward to seeing you in the Zoom virtual room on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Pacific time. I wish everyone to have a great week.